tutorial I will show you how to make the Stranger Things Levitation Effect using CapCut. First, you need to record yourself standing and then lift yourself up on the toes and hold the position for a few seconds. Then go to camera and tilt it slowly to the back and up to the sky. Open CapCut, create a new project, import the clip and drag it to the timeline. Move your playhead to the point just before you start to lower down on your feet. Cut it. Drag your playhead to the point a little before you start lifting the camera. Cut it again and delete the middle part. Highlight the first part. Click Command plus C or Control plus C to copy and Command plus V or Control plus V to paste it. Then go up to Cutout. Click on Auto Cutout to remove the background. Highlight the lower clip, go to the point where you lift yourself up on your toes. Cut the clip and delete the right part. Move your playhead to the end of the upper clip. Highlight the lower longer clip and delete the rest part by clicking W key on your keyboard. Move to the spot where your split is. Go up to Transitions. Find the Superimpose transition. Apply it and set the duration to 5 seconds. Now highlight the upper clip at the exact same location. Go up to Basic and click Keyframe on Position and Size. Then move to a little before the end of the clip. Click Keyframe on Position and Size again. Reduce the size to 80 and pull the body a bit more up. When you're done, go up and export the project. Create a new project and import the clip you've just exported. Drag it to the timeline. Go up to Speed. Click on Curve and choose Customized. Now go to the point where you start raising up the toes. Click on plus to create additional point. Go some more further when you lift up and create another point. Drag the point up to around 6 times speed. Then go forward some more. Create another point and drag it down like this. Do the same with last point and drag it towards the end. You can also add the effect to the body by going up to Effects, Body Effects, and find the Figure Glare effect. Drag it down when you start going up, cut it short, and set it to 35, 0, 0, 45, and 35. For even better effect, you can add some music background, and here is your magic.